Hey there, my name is Rob Pendola. I'm the manager of technical training for Viega, the leader in press technology and innovation. We've always been the leader in press, whether it's from PEX, steel, copper tube size. Last year in 2024, we launched a whole new valve portfolio with over 20 new valves to the market. Now we get to complete the system, no matter what, from domestic, commercial, and industrial, from start to finish with one tool. Whether it's your finish stops, we have our strainers, we have our check valves, our spring checks, and even a whole new lineup of balancing valves, from manual to dynamic to the PIB-CV valves. So check out some new valves and other products that Viega has launched to complete the system. One of the newer valves we launched in 2024 was a swing check. It's a simpler design, fewer moving parts, with a hinge and a flapper. We've always had the inline spring check, but these are self-cleaning. They're easier to install with the press ends instead of adding those threaded connections, using that same tool you're already using, whether it is in our PEX, our CTS, or our IPS systems. Viega just expanded its portfolio in 2024, offering you that swing check. The swing check is offered in both the ProPress and the MegaPress lines using CTS and IPS systems. Another product that's a part of just about every mechanical system is a strainer. Both in MegaPress and in ProPress, they are part of just about every mechanical system. They are going to prevent clogs, they're going to keep the system running longer, prevent any type of maintenance that might happen more often, increasing the longevity of your systems. Both MegaPress and ProPress will have these strainers to complete the system using the same tool with separate sets of jaws. In terms of hydronic solutions, Viega also completes the system by adding a new lineup in 2024 of balancing valves. When you get into the manual balancing valves, it's just that, more manual maintenance. You have to actually watch the flow. You might have to adjust them. When you get into the dynamic balancing valves, now this is going to be more automated into your system, less maintenance, increasing the longevity of these fittings with that same tool, whether it is ProPress or MegaPress. One tool, different set of jaws. When you get into the PIB-CV valves, those are going to be integrated into your commercial and your industrial applications. Also integrated, less maintenance, adjust for flow and pressure. You get it into your system and you don't have to worry about it. It's going to last a lot longer, completing the system from start to finish. When referencing potable water solutions, we've also added new valves to our catalog that can handle anything from 1/2 inch to 4 inch for ProPress. We have our 1/2 inch to 2 inch line of PureFlow, as well as a stainless steel ProPress lineup that can handle your potable water solutions. Now, we've always been using press from start to finish, but now we can add our ProPress straight and angle stops with the same tool you're doing the entire job with. Whether you're residential or commercial and you need to add those finish stops, we now offer that to complete that package. We've also had ProPress ball valves 1/2 to 4 inch. We now have those bronze fittings from 1/2 to 2 inch, which is a harder metal, less likely to succumb to dezincification or any type of stress fractures that your normal valves would have in the past of those two-piece solutions. We offer them with drain ports as well now in our valve portfolio for ProPress. When you get to PureFlow, we are talking about our PEX lineup. We have now added full port ball valves for our PureFlow lineup. 1/2 inch to 2 inch, stainless steel with the same tool you're pressing copper or steel with, a different jaw will complete that system. One tool, 3 different alloys, 3 different systems. These are Eco Brass valves. We offer them with a drain port as well. When you're looking into transitioning through valves, we have a ProPress by PureFlow press valve. So we go from CTS size to our PEX lineup in one valve to shut off the system. We also offer from ProPress to PureFlow crimp. If you are using the crimp systems on your PEX lineup, we do offer that in a valve with one fitting where you go from copper tube size press to crimp on your PEX line. Completing the system from A to Z has never been easier, whether it be your residential or your commercial industries. When we go from our valves to our press fittings, we now have everything that can get you from A to Z quicker and easier using one tool with a different set of jaws. In our PEX line with the new valve portfolios and our ProPress lines, both copper tube size with copper and stainless steel, Also our mega press lines, whether it be galvanized steel, carbon steel, or stainless steel as well. We now have a complete package, whether you add our new gas valves that launched in 2024, from 1/2 inch to 4 inch, we've always had the press by press. From 1/2 inch to 2 inch, we offer you a press by male solution or a press by female solution, or what happens to be one of my favorite valves we make is a press by ground joint union. When we're talking about your gas appliances and fixtures, you need a shutoff and a disconnect for future maintenance. So now whether it be your rooftop units, your boilers, your water heaters, Viega is the only manufacturer in the industry that has a press by ground joint union option in the market. This valve happens to be my favorite valve we make. It gives you your shutoff and your disconnect in one fitting, utilizing the same tool we're already using for everything else on that job site.